Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics. Today I just want to give you my views on the right to repair here in the state of Maine. Now there's 5 other states in the United States that is trying to get it so that, you know, they're going to vote down right to repair. What right to repair means is you have the right to repair your own vehicle. All right, you have the right to take your OBD2 reader and put it in the port, get all the information out of it, and know what's wrong with your car and repair it yourself. These new government officials, I'm not going to say Democrats, but I already just did say Democrat. These Democrats don't want you to be able to repair your own vehicle, especially with these new electrical vehicles coming up that catch on fire if you look at them wrong. The government is finally realizing that those things are death traps and they only want them repaired by a dealership. But when they are wording this right to repair thing, they're also including gasoline vehicles, because what they want to do is they want to make it so that you can't repair your own gasoline vehicle. They want you to send it to a dealership. That dealership, when they repair your car, it's going to probably cost you 4 times as much as the car is worth. And then what they're thinking, they're just going to dump that vehicle and you're going to buy an electric vehicle for their green agenda. Now, the other thing that they hid in that bill, which here in the state of Maine, we voted it down 84-16, but now they're picking it apart and they're trying to revive it without our say. They said it was just a referendum. It's not carved in stone, so they can do whatever the freak they want with it. The state of Maine, now, they got all kinds of people trying to pick that apart, and they want it put back into law where you do not have the right to repair. And they're sneaking this through. Start your research and you'll see they are trying to get that so that it doesn't pass, the right to repair. All right, so now where was I? So basically they don't want you to be able to repair your own vehicle. They don't want your favorite shop down the street being able to get into the OBD2 port, find out what's wrong with it, and repair it at a reasonable cost. They want all of your vehicles to go to a dealership. So in the hopes that it's going to cost you so much to repair that vehicle, you'll just junk it and buy one of their green vehicles. All right. The other thing that they hid in there is you will not pass inspection next year unless your local guy down the street put the state's machine onto your OBD2 and locks it, so that you could have I've got a 2009 Subaru out here. I can just put my OBD2 on it, read the codes and whatnot. But the next time that I have a new sticker put on it, it's going to be law that that local shop has to put the state's machine on there and lock your data port, so you cannot get that information out. That's another thing they're trying to ramrod through and not tell you or us or anybody. All right? It's all about the green agenda. I don't even know why we do referendums where the people have spoken. We the people have spoken, but the government can turn around and take it apart and create their own agenda and say, no, 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 we know what the people want. You guys are wrong, you know. Even though we voted it down 84-16, they still want this thing to go through, so we don't have right to repair. All right, guys, that's my view on right to repair. And basically, the other thing is I lost my train of thought. I'm just so pissed when I found out about this. The other thing that I seen in another state is they don't want you to be able to go into your OBD port. They want it locked so that you can't. They're thinking that you can go in there and change your mileage. You really can't. Maybe a dealer can. Because what they want to also do is that's how they're going to charge you your excise tax. They're going to have a database that the government can get into your OBD2, and they can do it Wi-Fi. And they can track exactly where you're going. They're going to have tracking software because all of these new cars out there have tracking in it, and they're going to track you, your car. They can tell you where you've been, how many miles you've driven, what roads you've been on, and everything else, and they're going to tax you appropriately. That's the other reason they want this thing to fail, even though we passed it. But no, it's a referendum, so they can pick it apart. I know, guys, I'm rambling on. Give me some comments down below. Right to repair. Gotta love it. Governments don't. Good luck, guys.